Hey guys, this is Fundom on Pagama. Tonight on Imbewu. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Noxola thinks her baby has been kidnapped again when she wake up without Nosy on the bed, and she moved to a dining room and found Nosy on the Nkulego, and he take her, and it seems like he is scared of Nosy life. Noxola range at the Bengus when an unexpected guest arrives. Mzwandile is planning something unexpected, but it is making the right decision. Old demons return for an arrogant, ignorant Zetulele, while Buhle asks a favor on Tushelin, and it seems like this favor is difficult for Tushelin. Buhle asked Tushelins to take the pictures of Figile when Figile arrive on MSAM. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.